The title of this course is vSphere 6.5 Data Center Essentials. My name is Atindra Chaturvedi and I hold current certifications in VMware and Cisco products. I'm a VMware certified advanced professional in data center administration, VCAP 5 in data center design. I also hold the Cisco certifications. I'm a network professional in data center and network professional in routing and switching. I have the CCNA security as well. So really I decided to do these certifications so I have a well-rounded idea of not just the data center infrastructure but also the data center networking infrastructure, because as a VMware administrator it was really important for me to understand what happens on the virtualization side as well as out in the real data center network. And so that I don't spend all my time staring at a computer screen, I'm also an FAA certified commercial drone pilot. Pact Publishing has been kind enough to publish a couple of my videos. One of them is the Mastering VMware vSphere 6.5 video. It's about 15 hours long, and perhaps you may want to take a look at that after you have completed this course, because this course is a more basic course where, because of the design of the course, we look only at the essential aspects of the new features of VMware 6.5. In Mastering VMware vSphere 6.5, I have the luxury of going into great technical detail on each and every one of these subjects. So let's review the course goals. My basic assumption or premise is that if you are taking this course, you have a basic knowledge of vSphere concepts and administration. By that I mean that you understand what vCenter is and how it actually supports and manages a vSphere environment. You understand what a distributed switch is and just similar basic concepts of vSphere. The goal of this course is multi-purpose. So in one way, what I'm looking to do is to provide you a detailed overview of the key enhancements in vSphere 6.5, because it is a very key release of the VMware vSphere product where some tremendous enhancements have been made. I also wanted to do this course in a very structured manner, and I followed the approach that's specified in the VCP DCV 6.5 examination blueprint from VMware. And that enabled me to provide you a resource that if you wish to review your preparation for the VCP DCV 6.5 exam, you could use this course to do a complete review in a very structured manner, because presumably you have studied for this exam based on the exam blueprint. And at the same time, it allows me to provide a resource for VMware vSphere system administrators to understand the various product enhancements, and there are, I've said, quite a few of those in vSphere 6.5. The course topics, there are 10 sections. These are the sections specified in the VCP DCV 6.5 examination blueprint. And so we will cover essentially every possible aspect of vSphere 6.5, starting with security, tremendous enhancements, another role, networking enhancements with the TCP/IP stack, storage, tremendous enhancements in storage, resource management, a lot of granularity that's available. Backup, restore, and replication is very sophisticated now. You can not just have to have the capability of doing backup and restore, but you can also replicate across data centers and across vCenters and so on. So we'll cover all that. The high availability aspects, especially for vCenter, are something that we have all been looking for a very long time. The virtual machines can be administered in a much more efficient manner, and actually in a much more comprehensive manner. Again, the details are in the course. Content library has been enhanced a little bit, but it's a very useful feature in a large-scale vSphere data center environment. And of course, if you're looking to upgrade to version 6.5 from a prior version, Section 9 gives you an idea of how that could be accomplished, and the Mastering VMware vSphere 6.5 course gives you all the details that you would ever require. Auto deploy and host profiles have been integrated into vCenter, unlike in the past where they were separate products. So I think one of the key features of vSphere 6.5 is this auto deploy and host profiles, which again, from a scalability perspective for a large data center, is essential. So with that, you can see this is a very comprehensive course. It covers every aspect of vSphere 6.5 manner, but at the same time, it is very comprehensive. I hope you gain value from this course. And with that, we will move to the next section.